We're here today and we want to start raise some money for to fill these buckets.
Hey, I have a question.
Yes.
What are these buckets for?
Well, if you would shut up a minute, I would tell you. I was telling everybody here today what the buckets are for.
Hello!
Okay, that's enough. Here we go. Hey, these buckets here today, we're raising money for Dry Gulch and Youth America for the children so they can go to church camp.
Dry Gulch and Youth America. I heard that place was pretty cool.
Very, very cool. They have lots of fun stuff there for the kids.
Like what?
Well, first off, they learn about Jesus and they learn how to worship, and they have worship time, and they ride horses, and they got that swimming and all kinds of fun stuff for them to do. It's a whole week long.
A week long full of horses and slides?
No, not a week long full of horses and slides. It's more about Jesus and fellowship and becoming a better Christian.
Oh, that really sounds fun. But
Right.
why is there more money in the women's bucket than in the men's?
Who has the most money in your house? See?
The women.
Yeah. So, what I'm here today to ask you, man, is you have to step up your game. You have to find a way to get more money from your wife.
See?
Better allowance.
See?
You a man of few words, eh?
See?
Is that all you can say?
No?
Why'd you even show up today? You're not helping at all. So, men, if you would, please find some change in your pocket, some change in your friend's pocket, or the guy in front of you's pocket. Somebody, put some money in these buckets. We have to beat the women. This is the time we have to step up our game.
One piece of advice.
Yes.
Don't get the money out of your friend's pocket by yourself. Have them do it for you.
Like they're gonna do that?
You never know.
Well, this is Robert and I'm James, and we're here today to raise money for Dry Gulch and Youth America, and we can use all the help we can get.
Jeff,
Man, a few words.
you know me so well.
I don't know you at all. I just met you.
Where's Jose?
He's with those beats.